Your TV or monitor turns on, the backlight glows, but there's no picture. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a screen that shows only backlight, step by step. No guesswork, no jargon. Step 1. Basic power and input check. Start with the basics. Many times, the problem isn't your screen at all, it's your input or signal source. First, make sure your TV or monitor is actually receiving a signal from the connected device. Grab your remote and press the input or source button. Cycle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or AV inputs. Sometimes your display is simply set to the wrong source. Show remote pressing input/source. On-screen menu changing HDMI inputs. Camera close-up of HDMI cable connection. Step 2. Flashlight test for image. Let's test whether your panel is actually generating an image. Turn on your TV, then grab a flashlight and shine it directly onto the screen from a close angle. Move the light slowly across the surface. Dimly lit screen with flashlight beam scanning it. Faint icons or images appear under the beam. If you can faintly see the picture, maybe a menu, channel logo, or moving shadow, that's step 3. T-con board inspection. Now we move inside. The T-con, or timing control board, sends image data from the main board to the screen. It's a small rectangular board, usually covered by a metal shield, and located near the bottom or center of the TV. Back panel removed carefully. Camera zooms on the T-con board and its ribbon connectors. Carefully inspect this board for signs of damage, dark spots, burnt marks, or corrosion from moisture. Then, check the ribbon cables running from the T-con to the display panel. Gently step 4. Mainboard voltage test. If everything looks fine with the T-con, it's time to check the mainboard. This is where video processing happens, and it sends voltage to the T-con. Use a digital multimeter to measure the voltage on the connector that links the mainboard to the T-con board. You should see around 12 volts or 5 volts, depending on your model. If this guide helped you fix your TV, hit that like button and subscribe.